Hey everyone, welcome to Gastromania. Today I'll be presenting a very simple dish, 3 cups chicken in Taiwanese style. In fact, this dish is so simple, this is the shortest video I've ever made. And if you're new here, I'm Lee and our channel uploads 2 recipes a week. And if you're a returning subscriber, do let me know if you have any dishes you would like to see demonstrated on the channel. Let's get right into this recipe for 1 kg of chicken. First, we have the aromatics, about 8 cloves of garlic sliced into half through the middle, about 6 spring onions, keeping the green parts for garnishing and the whites for aromatics, 1 thumb-sized ginger sliced very thinly. The last aromatic I'm using are fresh basil leaves. I'm using the Thai variety as you can see from the purple stalk. Pluck a handful of about 10 to 15 pieces as the leaves has a very strong aroma. Other than the aromatics, we have the 3 cup sauce. The original 3 cup recipe calls for 1 cup soy sauce, 1 cup sesame oil and 1 cup cooking wine. I'm not sure how much chicken they were cooking, but this amount of sauce is way too much for the amount of chicken I'm using. I will be modifying my recipe for about 1 kg of chicken and changing up the ratios, as I think 1 to 1 to 1 for sesame oil is too much and will overpower other ingredients inside the dish. Leave the sesame oil and mix up the cooking wine and soy sauce. The sesame oil will be used directly to fry the aromatics later on. Add about 1 teaspoon of sugar, adjusting it to your preference. That's all for the sauce. Let's get cooking! First, heat up the pot or clay pot at a high heat. I prefer using a clay pot for this, but if you don't have, a normal pot works fine. Add in the sesame oil into the clay pot, and before the oil gets too hot, add the sliced ginger and fry them until the fragrance is strong. Once the fragrance of the sliced ginger can be smelled, add in the garlic slices. And once the garlic releases its flavor, add in the spring onion whites. Stir fry all the ingredients until their fragrance is strong. Once done, add in the chicken and stir the chicken around to prevent charring at the bottom. Always choose the whole chicken, bone-in, which are able to withstand long simmers without much change in meat texture. Never use chicken breast for this dish as it will end up very dry. Stir fry the chicken until it becomes slightly cooked, with no signs of blood in the bones. At this point, add in the prepared 3 cup sauce into the clay pot and mix everything well. Once the sauce starts boiling, we can cover the clay pot and lower the heat for simmering for about 30 minutes. This is optional, but if you feel that your 3 cups chicken is not dark enough, we can add about 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce to make it darker. Do remember to taste the sauce as well to make sure that it is to your liking. After 30 minutes, open the lid and add in the fresh basil leaves. Do not add them at the start because they wilt very fast. Once they show signs of wilting, turn off the fire and add the spring onions. The 3 cup chicken is ready to serve. Using a clay pot will help with heat retention and allow the residual heat to keep cooking the fresh basil leaves and spring onions so that by the time that everyone comes for dinner, the basil flavor is fully released into the chicken but not overly wilted. This dish is best served with white rice. I could probably finish 2 bowls of white rice with the 3 cups chicken alone. Try this simple recipe today. We have come to the end of today's episode. If you like simple recipes like this, consider subscribing for my channel for 2 recipes a week. Suggest any dishes you would like to see demonstrated in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video.